Hello and welcome to Edupedia World, the one-stop shop for all your learning needs. Today, we are going to learn about colors. Colors means rang. Rang, rang in Hindi. Okay? Let's go on first to learn the most common colors. Which are the most common colors? Black, right? Black is one of the most common colors. Black and white, right? Now, black means kala. 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 Black means kala in Hindi. Then, along with black goes white, black and white, isn't it? So, what does white mean in Hindi? White is safed. Safed in Hindi. Safed. Safed. Isn't that easy? Yeah, very good. Kala, black. Safed, white. Then, red is called lal. Lal. Lal is red. Red is lal in Hindi. Then we go on to green. Green is hara. 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 So green is hara in Hindi. Then comes blue. Blue is neela. Neela. Blue is neela in Hindi. Neela. Rhyming to neela is peela. Peela is yellow. Yellow is peela in Hindi. Then we come to orange. Orange is narangi. Narangi. Rang, make it rangi and add a na. Narangi. Okay? So orange is narangi in Hindi. Do you remember eggplant, bangan? What color is it? A little purple violet, isn't it? So, purple or violet is called bangani. Bangan, bangani. Bangani means purple or violet. Purple or violet is called bangani in Hindi. And lastly, pink. Gulabi. Gulabi. Okay? Pink is gulabi in Hindi. Let us revise these colors once again. Black is kala. Kala. White is safed. Safed. Red is lal. Lal. Green is hara. Blue is neela. Rhyming to neela is peela. Yellow is peela. Orange is narangi. Narangi. Purple or violet is bangani. Bangani. And lastly, pink is gulabi. Gulabi. Okay? From here, we move on to other shades or other colors which are not that very common. Okay? First is grey. Grey is dhusar. 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 If you do not recollect dhusar, you may also say मुझे ग्रे कलर चाहिए, ग्रे रंग चाहिए, I want grey color. people will understand because gray is also used. Okay, so don't worry. If you can remember, well and good. Gray is dhusar. Then we go on to brown. Again, brown is also called brown in Hindi, but in Shuddh Hindi or pure Hindi, you call it bhura. Bhura, bhura. Okay? Dhusar, grey. Bhura, brown. Then we have a yellowish brown color called as khaki. Now, khaki is mainly used in the police uniforms. You will find it in the police uniforms, on the police uniforms. Yes? Cops uniform, cops. So, it's usually said khaki vardi. Vardi is uniform. So, khaki is yellowish brown color. Then, there are different shades of a color, right? Dark color, light color. So how do you differentiate them? A lighter shade is called halka. Halka. Just look at the l there. Okay? It's not complete. Half l. Remember? Yeah? Half l. Halka. Halka is light. Then we also have the golden color, isn't it? Now, gold means sona in Hindi. From sona comes the adjective sunehra. Sunehra, sunehra. Okay? Now with gold comes silver naturally, isn't it? So, silver means chandi, silver color. Chandi, chandi ka rang. Okay? Let's take a look at these uncommon colors. Grey is dhusar. Brown is bhura. Yellowish brown is called khaki. Lighter shade is called halka, halka rang. Okay? Golden is sunehra. And silver is called chandi. Now, any topic on colors is incomplete without our very colorful rainbow, isn't it? So, let's take a look at the colors of the rainbow. Rainbow is called Indradhanush in Hindi. What is it? Indradhanush. 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 Indradhanush के 7 रंग. 7 is 7. So Indradhanush के 7 रंग. What are they? Do you remember Vibgyor? Yeah? Let's revise Vibgyor in the Hindi way. Okay? V stands for violet. What is violet? Bangani. We learnt it just now, isn't it? Bangani is violet. I stands for indigo. Now in this case, you may say that indigo is basically a Neela. Neela is blue. Oh, then how do you differentiate the proper blue? VIB, Vibgyor, VIB. B stands for blue, isn't it? But this blue is gonna be Asmani Neela. Asman means sky. Okay? Asmani Neela, which is sky blue. Then Hara, which is green. VIBG. G stands for green. Hara is green. Green is Hara. Then G, then Y. Y stands for yellow. Yellow is Peela. Remember, Peela rhyming with Neela. Peela, yellow. Okay? Hara, green, Peela, yellow. Then comes orange. O, orange. Narangi. Narangi, orange. And finally, R stands for red. Lal. Lal is red. So Bangani, violet, Neela, indigo, Asmani Neela, which is blue, Hara, which is green, Peela, which is yellow, Narangi, which is orange, and Lal, which is red. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow. Yeah? Good. So hope you have remembered your colors very well and revised them equally. Thank you for being with us. Dhanyavad.